Today we are unboxing the powerful StarSat SR-260H4K. This is the first time that StarSat has a code for the user manual. Sorry, the one remote has been fell down. Here we have two remote controls, IR directional remote control, Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz, USB Wi-Fi dongle, HDMI cable, play batteries, silicon gel packet, our main receiver. Usually you are not going to use this port unless you have a server support for 2.4 GHz air mouse that works in any direction up to 10 meters. Multiple languages, easily update the firmware. Hello guys, welcome back to GloriousStore. Today we are unboxing the powerful StarSat SR-260H4K, a 4K digital satellite receiver packed with features. This is the first time that StarSat has made a black elegant box. Before, StarSat was making only white boxes. So let's dive in and see what is inside the box. Here this is a QR code for the user manual. There is no physical user manual inside the box. Before it was coming, but now StarSat is using only the QR code. You can scan the QR code and you can download the user manual. So let's dive in and see what is inside the box. As you can see, there are multiple layers of packaging to save the receiver. And here is the receiver. It is packed with the shock absorbent EPG pouch, and here we can see what is inside the box. I'm sorry, the one remote has been fell down. Here we have two remote controls. First remote control is a standard IR directional remote control. Means you have to point directly to the receiver up to 5 meters of line of sight to use it. While the second remote is Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz. This means you don't need to point it directly to the receiver. And here we have USB Wi-Fi dongle, which is dual band, means 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band, dual band supported. Ensure faster and more stable wireless connections for streaming, updates and browsing. Here we have 1 meter of true 4K StarSat original HDMI cable with up to 18 GB per second high-speed transmission for ultra-clear audio and visuals. Here we have two AAA batteries for remote controls. And here is a small silica gel packet just to keep moisture away and protect the device during the shipping. Don't eat this. The receiver comes wrapped in a shock absorbent EPG foam pouch, giving it extra protection during the transit. And here is our main receiver, front panel, sleek, beautiful design. The LED display shows the power status, signal and quality bars, and even the current channel name or time, clear and easy to read at a glance. Next we have got the channel up and down buttons on the left, volume controls on the right, and the power button neatly placed in the center, all within easy reach. It also features a front-facing USB 2.0 port, perfect for connecting your flash drive for media playback or software updates. On the back, you will find the LNV in port. This is where you connect your satellite dish to receive the signals. There is also a Coaxial port for digital audio output, ideal if you're connecting to a sound system for digital audio. An HDMI port is included for high-definition video and audio, giving you the best viewing experience on your TV. Another USB 2.0 port is available on the back, useful for connecting external storage or other accessories. An AV port is also included, perfect for connecting to older TVs or audio systems using RCA cables. You will also find an Ethernet port for stable wired internet, ideal for smoother streaming and software updates. And here is the main power button, simple and responsive, letting you turn the receiver on or off with ease. An RS-232 port is included for the service and maintenance purpose, typically used for software recovery or advanced configuration. Usually you are not going to use this port unless your receiver got bricked or something happened while you are updating your software and your receiver showing only boot or there is no display coming. So you need to connect your receiver with any PC or laptop to recover the software. This receiver supports stunning 4K resolution, delivering ultra-clear picture quality for the next level viewing experience. It's backed by forever server support for long-term and stable satellite access. And yes, it's also compatible with 1080p Full HD, perfect for older TV too. Enjoy faster, more stable wireless with dual-band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 and 5 GHz supported. Inside the box, you get not one but two remotes, a 2.4 GHz air mouse that works in any direction up to 10 meters, and a traditional and standard IR remote for simple and direct control up to 5 meters. It supports DVB-S and DVB-S2 for all modern satellite broadcasts, plus blind scan to auto-detect available channels. With two USB 2.0 ports, it's easy to connect storage accessories. It's PVR ready, so you can pause, rewind, and record live TVs. The built-in electronic program guide or EPG helps to plan your schedule with ease up to 7 days. Want to stream on your phone or tablet? Multi-stream support has you covered. Enjoy ritual visuals thanks to 10-bit color processing, smoother and more vibrant than standard 8-bit. Need entertainment? Launch the built-in YouTube app or check real-time weather with the weather app. And with both HDMI and AV outputs, it works with any TV, old or new. It's also have a full media player. Watch videos, view photos, or listen music straight from your drive. Best of all, it comes with a solid 3 years warranty, giving you reliable performance and peace of mind. The user interface supports multiple languages, so you can navigate menus in the language you are most comfortable with. Easily update the firmware through USB or even online, keeping your receiver up to date with the latest features. It also offers parental control, letting you set a pin to block certain channels or content so your kids watch only what you allow.